The pursuit of knowledge is why students attend college, but even if you graduate college, you still need to challenge yourself every day and learn more.
Today we are going to be challenging Ensign College students to see if they are smarter than a fifth grader. We have gathered various first through fifth grade level questions, and we are ready to see how our students answer them.
I know this one's hard.
What? It's called, I know, it's at the tip of my tongue.
I know you know.
He's on a roll, okay.
Name one famous explorer from history.
Cristobal Colon.
Yes. Name 3 states of matter.
Liquid, solid, and gas.
What gas do plants absorb from the air to make food?
Carbon dioxide.
Yes. Why do we see a rainbow after it rains?
Because of the sunlight reflects the water.
You know all of them. Explain the process of mitosis.
When the cells divide themselves.
You know everything, don't you?
Because we're medical assistants.
Oh, that's why, right?
Mitosis we know.
In classical music, what instruments usually comprise a string quartet?
Is violin one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, bass?
No.
Cello?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to say viola.
Yes. In what month do Americans go trick-or-treating?
October.
Yay! In colonial America, what was the Sugar Act?
Sugar Act. I don't know. Is it like a tax on sugars?
It's a tax on molasses and wine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so pretty close, pretty close. Who painted the Mona Lisa?
Leonardo da Vinci.
Correct. Whose picture is on the $5 bill?
Lincoln?
Yep, correct. In the word unnecessary, what is the prefix?
Un.
Yep, correct.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, let's start with first grade. What is 3 plus 4?
7.
Yay! Woo! Second grade. Let's do not math. What is the process by which plants make their own food using sunlight?
It's called, it's called, I know, it's at the tip of my tongue.
I know you know.
It starts with an H.
Starts with a P.
Photosynthesis.
Correct.
Yes.
Amazing. Third grade. What is the capital of Japan?
Tokyo.
Yup.
Yes.
Wow, you're doing very well.
Yay!
If a train travels 60 miles per hour, how far will it travel in 4 hours?
If the train travels 60 miles per hour,
In 4 hours, how far will it travel?
4 hours? I don't know.
How many miles? How many miles? That's what you're trying to find. Do you give up?
Yes!
The answer is 240 miles.
Shut up.
Which planet is known as the red planet?
Mars?
Yes, Mars. What's the capital of Japan?
Tokyo?
Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet?
Shakespeare?
Yes. How many grams are in a kilogram?
1,000?
Yes. Who is known as the father of electricity?
Was that?
Yes. Yeah, you are smarter than a 5th grader.
What month comes after April?
May.
Very good, you're smarter than a first grader. In a sentence, which word shows the action being done?
Subject? No, the verb.
The verb, very good. If a triangle has one 90-degree angle, what is that triangle called?
190-degree
It has a 90-degree angle. What is that
It's a
triangle?
right triangle.
Very good, Sam. You are smarter than the 3rd grader. Okay, 4th grade. What is the largest mammal in the world?
Largest mammal. The whale.
What kind of whale?
Blue whale.
Very good, Sam. He's on a roll. If a train travels 60 miles per hour, how far will it travel in 4 hours?
60 miles. No, 240 miles.
Very good, Sam. Sam is smarter than a 5th grader.
Yay!
What animal says moo?
Cow.
Very good. What is the largest ocean on Earth?
The Pacific.
Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet?
Shakespeare.
Yes, okay. Who was the first president of the United States?
George Washington.
Okay. 5th grade. What 2 elements make up water?
Hydrogen and oxygen.
Smarter than a 5th grader. Yes, okay. In the United States, what holiday is celebrated in November?
Thanksgiving.
What is the capital of France?
Is it Paris?
Yes, it is. If a rectangle has sides of 5 and 7 units, what is the area?
35.
Very good, very good. What is the process by which plants release water vapor into the air?
Release. Evaporation.
Transpiration. Very close, very
Yeah.
close.
How many days are in a week?
7.
How many sides does a pentagon have?
5.
Yes. What's the capital of Mexico?
La Ciudad de México.
Yeah, everyone knows that, right?
Yeah.
Who is known for the theory of relativity?
Good question. I have no clue.
Albert Einstein.
Oh.
How many days are in a leap year?
366.
Yes. What's the sum of 15 and 9?
It's 24.
What's the capital of South Korea?
Seoul.
Yes. Who wrote the science fiction novel Dune?
It's seriously sitting on my counter. I don't know it.
It's
Who is it?
Frank Herbert. Right?
What is the opposite of fast?
Fast, slow.
What is the largest desert in Africa?
The Sahara.
Very good. You are smarter than a second grader. What is the process of a liquid turning into a solid?
Liquid, frozen.
Yes, freezing. Very good. If a rectangle has sides of 15 and 9, what is the area?
15 and 9. The area should be 24.
It's 135. You multiply
Oh, you
15 by
multiply
9.
15 by 9. Okay.
First grade. Which animal says meow?
A cat.
Yeah! How many sides does a hexagon have?
Is it 6?
Yeah, that's good. Okay, third grade. What is the square root of 36?
6.
Yep, nice. In a food web, what is the term for an organism that eats only plants but is not a predator?
Herbívoro. Yeah.
Herbivore is the
Herbivore,
English
yeah.
word. Yeah. Who developed the theory of evolution by natural selection?
Dalton or Dawson?
Darwin.
Darwin.
It's Charles
Charles
Darwin.
Darwin, yeah,
that's
because-
good. That's good.
If you have 3 apples and you eat 2 apples, how many apples do you have left?
1.
Which planet is known as the red planet?
Mars.
What is the capital of Mexico?
In Mexico City?
Yep, very good. What is the largest ocean on Earth?
Pacific?
Very good. You're okay. What is the sum of 6 and 4?
10.
Very good. You're smarter than a first grader. Okay, who wrote the book Green Eggs and Ham?
God proceeds.
Yes, very good. What is the longest river in the world? Which mountain range runs through Colorado? Very good. 5th grade. The final battle. Who wrote the play Hamlet?
William Shakespeare.
Very good. He's smarter than a 5th grader. Looks like college students won this round. Learning random facts like these might prepare you for the next game show, but experience and education are what are essential for a successful career. If you want to gain real-world experience while also gaining your education, click on the link in our description to learn more about Ensign College.